Got a Merkur update coming right at you. So, I've done a little bit of work since the last time. Went ahead and pulled the carpet out to find there is a ton of anronium underneath the carpet. And that anronium was soaking full of water and mold and all that, but not too bad underneath all of that, considering. It's like I pulled all the seats out except for this one because it requires special bits pulled out of here. We may try to clean this carpet and reuse it. We try to clean this carpet out, but some spots it's pretty mossy.